Hello everyone and welcome from IMS 2014. My name is Shawn Carpenter and I'm with Delcross Technologies. Delcross Technologies specializes in high-frequency asymptotic electromagnetic analysis and RF cosite system simulation. Asymptotic approaches are all solving very large electromagnetic problems. So think feet and meters kinds of problems. Our products involve, here you can see Savant is oriented toward installed antenna performance analysis, taking antennas and putting them on electrically very large vehicles. You can see a couple of examples here. We're putting microwave antennas on vehicles that are very large and might have moving parts, or very large vehicles like ships or very large commercial or military aircraft. Also on the electromagnetic analysis side is a product over here called Signa. Signa is a radar signature prediction software used for predicting RCS, range profiles, and ISAR images for electrically very large platforms. Now, we also have another side for RF system simulation, a product that we call EMIT. And EMIT is for RF cosite and coexistence analysis. Figure that you've got a group of antennas that you're going to incorporate on a platform, a ship, a car, an aircraft, and you have RF systems and radios behind them, all connected together and integrated on that same platform. You're going to need to know whether those systems interfere with one another. EMIT brings the technology to bring simulations together from electromagnetic simulation, antenna measurements, RF system measurements, and system characterizations, put them all together to characterize the EMI, both in-band and out-of-band performance, all the way down to the channel-by-channel level. Here at IMS 2014, we're unleashing Savant version 4 and showing customers further enhanced capability in analyzing installed antennas. You can see here some samples of some of the installed patterns that we can provide. At 2014, we're actually bringing forward a new integration to the CST Studio Suite software. Savant is very complementary to the full-wave 3D EM solvers out there. And we've developed methodology and have co-released with CST in their Studio Suite 2014 software and our Savant version 4 software the ability to bring antenna models from the full-wave modeling environment into Savant and placing it directly on the platform for installed performance analysis. So you can use the best of both worlds. You use your full-wave tools to do a detailed, accurate analysis, optimization of your design, bring it to Savant and put it on a platform that's really large, and then look at how the pattern is influenced, or the response of the antenna is influenced by the placement. Here you can see a couple of electrically very large placements of such an antenna. Now in January of this year, we also released a brand new product called Signa. And as I mentioned before, Signa is a radar signature prediction code. It's based, again, on an asymptotic analysis, looking at electrically very large targets and very complex targets. Signa has a couple of particular strengths. The first, of course, is analyzing very large targets, but the other is that we'll handle very detailed target designs. So we have the ability to take solid models really from a manufacturer's framework and bring it into the software and analyze things that have a great deal of detail. They don't have to be broken down into canonical shapes. Signa has a graphical user interface wrapped around it that makes the entire workflow for radar signature prediction both accurate and very efficient. So the workflow, of course, is what it's about today, and the process of getting from concept to analysis results runs all inside of this one unified framework very efficiently. Signa runs efficiently on a laptop, on a desktop computer, rarely has the memory requirements that go above a few gigabytes of RAM, but we can also extend it to computing clusters for those customers who need lightning-fast simulation for RCS of large targets. Thanks again for your attention today. If you happen to be on the show floor, come and visit us at booth 850. Otherwise, for those of you out there in viewer space, come and see us on the web at www.delcross.com.